Hello everyone, I'm Jaideep Singh Chahal. So next to me is the new black edition of the Hilux. I think everybody's been after the black ones since this is the new color variant that came out this very year. So after Sage's black Hilux, I really wanted to do a non-GR kit standard Hilux, and God has been very kind. We got our hands on a bunch of Hiluxes, all black ones for now. So this is now complete and headed home. This vehicle here came to us right from the dealership floor, brand new. And this belongs to Hitesh from Beavar in Rajasthan. So we both had been discussing idea of his dream build or the actual vehicle that he wanted. And he's owned an Isuzu Vcross long back. He's not new to the SUV pickup truck category. So he was pretty clear with what he wanted with some inputs from my side. I think we managed to make one really nice looking Hilux. We start with the mods from the front. There's a bunch of add-ons, but we've again gone with a very subtle looking finished product. We didn't want it to jump out at you. It is a very subtle vehicle. Most of the things are exactly how I would really want them to happen. And big thanks to people who trust me to trust me with their vehicles to, implement what I feel is right on their prized possessions. So starting from the front, I really want to start with my favorite bit in the truck, which is this light bar right here. I'm yet to find a better looking light bar fitment. It sits so flush. You can't even make out that it's there. We've smoked out the Baja Designs logo. So what we have is a driving combo light bar. This is a ON6x plus, makes roughly 12,000 lumens, and with Baja, actually the good bit is that it is going to deliver what it claims to. So unlike a lot of Chinese lights in the market which will claim to have a lot of lumen output, and the actual light is not that bright, it's only bright to the people coming in front of you. So we've got a cover, it's a piano black cover, sits very flush, and I'll quickly take off the cover for you and I'll show you the light bar. So it's a 10-inch unit. We've got spread in the corner and 4 spot LEDs in the middle. For the size, I believe this is one of the most powerful light bars in the market today. So very cool clamp on cover and very easy to install back. So that's about it for the lighting. This little baby is more than enough to satisfy all your lighting needs. Then coming around the side, the stance is achieved from a set of Ironman IM 2.5 suspension kit. We are running it with a set of Proman leveling spacers, which are 1-inch leveling spacers. The final lift we've taken from the kit is roughly 65 mm. That is the golden size for this lift and this stance actually. The rear stays at 2 inches only. So this gives you the front, the raised front leveled out stance. Coming to the tires, we are running the ultimate size in Maxxis Razr. This is the Maxxis Razr 80. That's the new favorite now. And we are running 285 70 R17. All 5 tires have been changed. I always feel that we should be changing a set of 5 tires and not keeping an undersized spare. One, it improves your set life, and secondly, in case you need to change out or use the spare somewhere, you have a full-sized spare. On ladder frame vehicles, we have the luxury of placement underneath, and this size fits in the ladder perfectly. So we actually, we're not stuck in a sedan or in a new pseudo SUV which cannot accommodate its own spare. So if you can carry a full size spare, I think we should. So 5 full size tires, and we've got the Method MR305s in black on black with galvanized bolts. And if you can bring the camera here, we are running a set of West Coast lug nuts which are supplied from Method. Thanks to Adwin for the wheels, and the tires, they've been supplied by Paya 4x4. The kit is also running a set of Pro Forge upper control arms. So as far as the suspension is concerned, it's the full deal. We've got front coils, coil springs, front shocks, rear shocks, rear leaf springs, headlamp leveling sensor, your shaft relocation brackets. I think everything is there. Polyurethane bushes, greasable shackles, everything's been upgraded. So after that, coming to the side, we've got the best looking steps in the market. I feel these are the Pilot Customs steps. So these are steps slash rock sliders, and they have farm jack points for somebody who wants to go off road. That's a very good add-on, and it again carries on with the matte and gloss black combination. So the stepping part is gloss, the rest is matte. I think you can't find a better looking combination currently. Rain visors were taken from the dealership itself. We also have an automatic rear view mirror folding relay setup. And other than that, so in the back what we've done is the stock bumper has been retained. I really like the lines of the stock bumper, and this vehicle is not going to go off-road much. It is only for nice long highway travel, and Indian roads give you a challenge enough already. So we've only gone in for a nice solid rear recovery point. That's done in matte black again. The bumper has been redone in matte black. It looks really cool. The chrome actually needs a lot of effort to make the paint stick on it. So that's only how you can get this beautiful finish. As far as the top is concerned, we've got a Hammer Classic roll bar, which Hitesh really liked. We've got a simple JTI trifold. It's probably the nicest quality of trifold, my all-time favorite, I think. This makes the most sense, I feel. Uh, Other than that, that's all of the stuff going back. We've got a bed liner ceiling, bed ceiling kit. So there's rubber beading all around the U of the bed entry area. Next to the tailgate, this basically goes squish on your tailgate and it seals it real nice and tight. So that is done. We've added a tailgate lock. I'll quickly show you. I've got the key with me. So when you lock, it goes lock and the handle is locked. This is a pretty basic upgrade. I think everybody has it now, but it's a must have because once this thing is locked, your trifold is inaccessible from outside. So it is practically locked like in the boot of a big sedan. So anything inside is safe, waterproof. There are no drain channels to worry about in this. I think this is the cheapest upgrade you can do rather than, I don't like shutters because of a lot of reasons. So I think this works really well, saves you money as well. So other than that, what we've done is this vehicle's got a quantum ECM and transmission control unit remap. The EGR has been deleted. It is now running on the FN51 Thailand spec remap. It is making close to 246 horsepower. Uh, 550 Newton meters of torque. So a 55 Newton meters of jump in the torque figures, and the horsepower is definitely up by 43, 44 horsepower, which is pretty higher than the other remaps out there. I won't advocate why one remap is better than the other. We've been using this and it works wonders. So really happy. We've had nobody dissatisfied with the remap. Other than that, the vehicle has a hammer underbody. It's got a red hammer underbody protection kit, which I feel is very important. And that's about it. We've got a rear seat recliner, which is pretty basic. We've got a set of floor mats, which is again pretty basic. So that being it, I think he's going to use it for another 10-15,000 kilometers and then plan for whatever mods or upgrades he think are left. But this is one very good and subtle looking, well performing vehicle. So I'm really happy with the build. And what we'll try to do is we'll cover Hitesh's feedback after he's driven it for at least 10,000 kilometers. We'll get to that afterwards. Thank you so much.